Hello students, in this video we will talk some more terms with related to a computer network. Web scripting, the process of creating and embedding a script in web page is known as web scripting. Scripts are interpreted and executed by a certain program or script engine. Scripts are of two types: client side scripts and server side scripts. Client side scripts, it enables interaction within a web page. They are downloaded at client's end and then interpreted and executed by the web browser. It is browser dependent. Some client side scripting languages are VB script, JavaScript, JScript, etc. Some uses of client side scripting languages are to get the data from user's screen, online game, customizing the display of pages in a browser. Server side script, it enables the completion or carrying out a task at server's end and then sending the result to the client's end. It is browser independent and it is used when the information is sent to a server to be processed at the server's end. Some server-side scripting languages are PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor, ASP, Active Server Page, JSP, Java Server Page, etc. Some of the use of server-side scripting are password checking and protection, form processing, dynamic editing, changing and adding content to the web pages. Means whatever content is sent by the web browser get automatically saved at the server's end. So all this process is handled by server-side scripts. Now more terms. Free software. Free softwares are those software which are freely accessible and can be freely used, changed, improved, copied and distributed by all who wish to do so. Basically, no payments are required for the usage and the distribution of the free softwares. Open source software. Open source softwares are those software in which the source codes are available to the user. Means you can use the code, you can change the software or you can distribute the codes. But remember thing, open source software may not be free. If a free software which is available with the open source codes, these are called as FLOSS, Free Liveware and Open Source Software. FSF, Free Software Foundation. It is a non-profit organization created for the purpose of supporting the free software movement. OSI, Open Source Initiative. It is an organization dedicated to cause of promoting open source software. It specifies criteria for open source software and properly defines the terms and specification of open source softwares. W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. It is responsible for producing the software standard for World Wide Web by developing common protocol that promote its evolution and ensure its interoperability. Proprietary software. Proprietary softwares are those software which are having rights, means some person is having rights on them. For example, MS Office. MS Office is a proprietary software of Microsoft. Means Microsoft is having the sole right on that software. Freeware. Freeware is the software which permits redistribution but not modification as their source codes are not available. They are distributed in binary form without any license fee. For example, Adobe, Adobe Reader, Free Studio, Skype, uTorrent, DoPDF, etc. Shareware. These are distributed in binary form and often include built-in time mechanism, which usually limits functionality after a trial period, usually 1 to 3 months, and after that a license fee should be paid for its uses. Its source code is not available and cannot be modified. For example, we can say the free version of antivirus software, which generally comes with a time period of 1 to 3 months. After that, you have to pay the fee for the uses of that antivirus software. Now the term viruses. Viruses is a malicious program that require a host and is dedicated to make a system sick. It can spread from computer to computer and can replicate itself. Generally, viruses are of three types: file infector virus, boot sector virus, and macrovirus. File infector virus, they attach themselves to a program file. Boot sector virus, they install themselves on the beginning track of your hard drive so that as soon as your system gets open, they also get activated and make your system sick. Macrovirus, basically these are designed to infect your data files. Trojan horse. Trojan horse, it is a code hidden in program such as game or spreadsheet that looks safe to run but has hidden side effects. That is, it destroying, damage or alter information in the background. Worm. It is a program designed to replicate itself. It is a self-replicating program which does not require any host to replicate, and it make your system sick. It need a multitasking system and activate by creating process. Spam. It refers to unsolicited, usually commercial emails sent to a large number of addresses for the promotion of the product and services by many companies. We can protect our mailbox by spam using appropriate filter and avoiding using of email to the commercial sites. So these are all the terms related to your computer network.